Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about the Outlook Stat tool from Nearsoft. It's another one of their free tools. So if you're a big-time Outlook user and you want to find stats about your Outlook account, you know, who's sending you emails, who you're sending it to, accounts, and that kind of thing, you could run that. So once you download the program, you extract the zip file. And so when I downloaded it, I tried this one here first, and it just gave me a blank screen because I assumed this one was for using Outlook 64-bit, which I'm not, just using the regular 32-bit Office, but I had to do this one to get it to work for some reason, so this might be the case for you. So once you download and extract it, you'll have this OutlookStatView exe. Just double-click it to open it. Then you have some options. So the default is just to scan everything. You know, if you want to change some of the other options here, you can, if you have different profile and so on, or you only want to scan a date range and that kind of thing, or certain folders and so on. So we're going to do everything. So click OK. Now you can see it breaks it down into display name for, you know, the email sender, their address, their domain, incoming, outgoing, and you have the other columns here for size and so on, BCC, incoming message size, outgoing message size, total messages size, average incoming, average outgoing, dates, addresses. Then, of course, you could sort the columns by, you know, email address if you want to do that, or display name, and so on. And then up here you have some options. So if you want to save an item, you could do that. Save all items, scan options, find, which comes in handy if you're looking for a certain email. The view options, you know, grid lines if you want to make things easier to read there. You can do HTML reports for all or selected items. So if we did everything, it'll make a little report there that you could print out. And it'll also put it in your folder here where you're running the program. And if you want to choose the columns, if there's certain columns you don't need, you could go through this, move them up and down, hide them, that kind of thing. Got your options here for changing font, for file encoding size unit. Then you have some tools up here, refresh, copy selected items, properties. So if I want the properties of this one, let's say, you just click on that. And if you want to copy selected items, you can do that kind of information too. I'm not sure how handy that'll be, but you might be looking for some of the source information here. Then you have your find, and so on. So, you know, it's a pretty simple program, but it does a good job of, you know, finding everything you got going on here. So if I want to do my biggest incoming email address here is from Google, and outgoing is from Online Computer Tips. So it's kind of a cool way just to find out what's going on in your Outlook. So I'll put a link in the description. You could download it. Like I said, it's free. Nothing to install. Just extract the zip file, run the executable, and then you'll be good to go. All right. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.